pag-ibig.
Oo, kasi loyal ako eh.
Ganun ba yun?
Bihira akong mamili eh. Kaya kailangan ano.
I'm very close to you naman eh.
Yeah, but you know. No, I'm just kidding, Ate Luz.
Yeah, I know. Pero kamusta ka na siya, really?
There are a lot of lovable people in this business.
Yeah, I know.
I'm fine, Ate Luz. My new nickname is Wholesome and Lonesome. Yes. I'm so wholesome, it's nakakainis.
Yeah, but then, what do you mean you're so wholesome na nakakainis?
Wholesome in the sense that, well, no, it's just a term, no? But seriously, wholesome does not mean this, but seriously, my life is just, I'm just floating. I'm not very, very happy, but I'm not lonely.
You go with the flow.
Yeah. Oh, look at you, you're so happy.
Ano lang, magaling lang magdala. Di ba magaling kayo magdala? Yung problema.
Ako, surprisingly, pati ho ako, nagugulat ho ako sa sarili ko. Dahil surprisingly, yun ho mga pinakamasasakit at mabibigat na dinaanan ko sa buhay ko.
Ang dami nun.
Pag nandun na ho ako, Ate Luz, yung aking fasade cool lang. Yung, ganyan. Pero hindi nila alam, pag sakay ko sa kotse, iyak ako. Pag uwi ko, iyak ako.
You're really that lonely?
Now, no. Now I'm fine.
Pero itong pelikula mo with Gabby, did you have second?
No, because Ate Luz, even before we found out that we were going to do a movie together again, before it was offered to us, magkaibigan na kami ulit. We were talking already.
Kasi kung nung araw to in-offer sa inyo, no way, no?
Hindi ho, ako. Scared.
Anong klaseng tao ba si Gabby Concepcion? Alam mo, ang tagal-tagal niya sa business, pero ang dami-dami pa rin hindi nakakakilala ng tunay na Gabby Concepcion. And I think you're the right person.
Opo.
Ikaw lamang ang may authority yata na pwedeng magsalita.
Ako lang po talaga.
Ikaw lang talaga. Kung si Gabby Concepcion ang pag-uusapan.
No, seriously.
What is he like? Sa bahay?
Gabby is
Mga unguarded moments niya.
Nung magkasama pa po kami, pag wala siyang trabaho, he loved tinkering with his cars. Simple lang si Gabby eh. Ganyan. Tapos, yung friends niya, gusto niya lagi niyang kasama, ganyan. And he loves the sea, he loves the water. Playground daw niya yung ocean. So, nagda-diving siya. Noon, hindi pa eh. Pero gusto na niya ang beach. Ngayon, diver na siya. He's very malambing. He's very... Ang hirap lang kay Gabby, hindi mo alam ang iniisip.
Yun nga.
Nakangiti pa, yung pala, galit na. Ganyan.
Artista talaga.
Hindi, yung ganun siya ka-cool. Pero pag sumabog, nakakatakot din.
Nakababa ang pasensya ni Gabby.
Si Gabby, oo. Ako mas sensitive ako kay Gabby eh. I'm more si Gabby's very, very malambing, very charming, very...
Simple lang ba ang needs niya? Simple lang ba ang dreams niya?
I don't know about now, Ate Luz, but when we were together,
before,
simple lang.
Wala yung pagka-ambisyoso, wala yun.
Well, of course, there was always this drive to do his best, of course, in his work, to be one of the best in the business, which I think he is now. And yun, yung masyado siyang ganun.
Kasi parang ang tingin nila kay Gabby, parang ikaw daw, seryoso ka. I mean, about life. No? Si Gabby daw, mukhang wala pang direksyon, no? Parang Rolling Stone.
Gabby's more, the way I see Gabby is that he takes life one day at a time. Ganyan. Yung siya, basta he enjoys himself, he enjoys his life.
Hindi siya...
Ako, I have to plan everything.
Hindi siya yung tipo naglo-long range planning. Yung sa ganitong year, ganito
for certain things, yeah. Yung siguro ganun. But ako, there's no choice naman eh. Nobody has a choice but to go with the flow of things. Yung like, I may want this next year, but it doesn't mean that I'll get it, diba? So I have to see what comes my way each day. So there are times I live my life a day at a time. Pero yung long-range plans ko, I always have to plan everything. I always have to, wait, kailangan yung future ni Casey, okay na. Kailangan ganito na ako, bago, ganito, ganon.
Now ngayon na talagang friends na kayo ni Gabby, sa tingin mo siya, ano ang ugali ni Gabby noon, tsaka ugali mo rin noon, na sana napalitan yon para hindi na kayo nagkanya-kanya na ng landas. Yun.
And we have differences, Ate Luz, pero hindi ko pwede sabihin yung mabibigat. Yung mga, yung aming mga small, yun, meron kaming
Siguro kung ngayon kayo nagkakilala ni Gabby, kung ngayon kayo nagtagpo, ngayon kanya niligawan, ngayon kanya niyayang pakasal, ibang, syempre ang pag-iisip niyo, iba na.
The way I see Gabby now is, I think he enjoys naman the way his life is going. Yung, yung bachelorhood niya, ganyan, bachelor lifestyle. That's not really bad, except that, well, siguro, it will really take time, ganyan, for him to be totally ready to commit himself totally to one person and face all the responsibilities of fatherhood and being a husband. Not to say that he's irresponsible now, but parang there's a right time for everything. Parang me rin, I'm living my own life now. I enjoy my independence also. Ganyan. But mostly I turn to work eh. Gabi, he balances it. He's lucky nga eh.
Yeah, but he's not ready, you think, for a total commitment.
What I think lang is he's not. I don't know if he is because we've never really discussed it. That's only my opinion. I told him that also.
I'm sure he couldn't be ready for a total commitment.
Now, no. Now, no. Right now, no.
Was it hard working with this Don Solweta?
No, it wasn't.
Kasi ang dami-dami mga write-ups sa press about yung sampalan na tinutuon.
No, you know,
daw yung ganyan.
Nilinaw ko nga po yun sa press con nung last, a few days ago. Kasi yung lumalabas, parang lumabas yata sa dyaryo na yung parang sinampal ko talaga si Don. Actually, totoo ho talaga yung sampal. Pero before pa ho kami nag-take, sinabi ko na ho kay Don, sabi ko, kahit sila Sherry Hill, lahat ng nasampal ko sa pelikula, alam nila pag ganitong eksena, wala akong control. Kasi mas pangit, makikita ko, mahalata pagpigil eh. So after that,
talagang walang daya yun, talagang tuloy.
Wala ho. Pati ako pagka sinasampal ho ako sa movies, gusto ko ho totoo, na hindi ko mararamdaman pag hindi. May walang sound effect na,
Kamusta naman si Gabi dito?
Ay,
Kesa doon sa last movie ninyo. Well, dito sweet na sweet kayo eh.
He was, during the filming, yung behind the scenes, you were very friendly, very sweet, ganyan. Doon naman sa movie, I think, I've never seen Gabby this good before. He's really,
This is one of his best, if
one
not
of
the
his
best.
best, yeah. It's one of my favorite movies also,
Okay,
personally.
pati hindi natin pakita ilang scene siya.
Opo, ito po ang trailer ng Una Kang Naging Akin.